Hi, my name is Ryan, and this is an introduction to Assured Workloads. In the next few minutes, we'll talk about how you can make sure that the right controls are in place so you can run regulated workloads on Google Cloud. Ready? Let's get started. Regulatory compliance can be a challenge for governments and businesses looking to use the cloud. Some workloads or types of data may have strict compliance requirements surrounding data residency, data access, and personnel access. At the same time, you still want to be able to use the latest, most innovative cloud services. This is where Assured Workloads comes into play. Assured Workloads is a tool that helps you run secure and compliant workloads on Google Cloud. All organizations have to do is choose the right regulatory framework, and Google Cloud will put the necessary cloud controls in place to support your compliance requirements across the globe. Assured Workloads supports compliance with platform controls to create regulated boundaries on public cloud infrastructure. There are several platform controls you can choose from, including FedRAMP Moderate, FedRAMP High, Criminal Justice Information Systems, US Regions and Support, Impact Level 4, HIPAA, High Trust, EU Regions and Support, and EU Regions and Support with Sovereignty Controls. Two areas where these platform controls help organizations meet compliance requirements are data residency and personnel data access controls. First, there's data residency for at rest and in use. Assured Workloads restricts the regions you can select for your resources based on which platform control you choose. For example, if you select US Regions and Support, your resources will be restricted to US regions. If a developer at your organization tries to create a resource that will store data at rest in a different region, the action will be blocked and logged. Second, there's personnel data access controls. These ensure that only Google personnel who are able to satisfy certain physical location and background check requirements are able to access customer data in the course of a support action. For example, if you select FedRAMP High, support access will be limited to Google personnel who are located in the US and have completed enhanced background checks. Beyond data residency and personnel data access controls, Assured Workloads provides customers with security best practices for key management based on the compliance requirements of the organization. A key provision of many regulations is that organizations need to manage their own encryption keys. For compliance regimes like IL4, Assured Workloads mandates customer-managed encryption keys. A key management project is created and is separated from resource folders to establish separation of duties between security administrators and developers. Assured Workloads also creates a key ring to store your keys. Strong encryption, key management, and separation of duties all support positive security and compliance outcomes on Google Cloud. For other compliance regimes, customers are able to receive Google-managed encryption keys, which, by default, are FIPS 142 compliant. Assured Workloads also supports Cloud KMS, Customer Managed Encryption Keys, Cloud External Key Manager, and Key Import. Assured Workloads can also help with data sovereignty, using Assured Workloads for EU regions and support with sovereignty controls. This means that customers in Europe have mechanisms to exercise independent control over the cloud provider's access to their data, approving access only for specific provider behaviors deemed appropriate and necessary by the customer, providing protections against legal seizure. Getting started is easy. You can create a new Assured Workloads folder by visiting the Google Cloud console, selecting a Google Cloud organization, and going to the Compliance section. You will fill out a brief onboarding stepper, selecting options for geographic jurisdiction, compliance type, region, folder configuration, and key management. FedRAMP Moderate is offered at no additional cost to customers, so you can begin using it today. In future videos, we'll take a closer look at how to get started. Let's take a look at an example use case. A large technology provider to the US government needed to respond to a large-scale geopolitical incident which created new requirements for compliance. The customer was able to expand their regulatory boundary on Google Cloud to meet new compliance and data residency requirements, while still restricting personnel access controls to US persons and maintaining their NIST 853 and NIST 800-171 security controls on Google Cloud. After the incident was resolved, the customer was able to rapidly resort to their regulatory boundary. Assured Workloads makes adapting to new compliance requirements easy, allowing the customer to quickly set up or expand a regulated boundary to maintain compliance while still being able to use Google Cloud's latest innovative technologies in any of our regions. Sometimes an organization will need more than just one compliance regime for their cloud resources. Let's take a look at an example of a multinational business that operates in Europe, the United States, and Canada. A top-level folder is created and registered under which all regulated workloads live. Within the top-level folder are subfolders created by the Assured Workloads API for different compliance regimes that the business needs. In this case, there are compliance regimes for EU regions and support, DoD Impact Level 4, and CAN regions and support. Within each subfolder are the projects that are subjected to each compliance regime. All cloud resources within these folders follow the specific controls and guardrails to support compliance. So there you have it, an overview of what Assured Workloads is and how it can help you more easily run secure and compliant workloads on Google Cloud. If you want to learn more, visit cloud.google.com/assured-workloads. And stay tuned for more episodes of Assured Workloads 101, where we'll walk through how to use Assured Workloads, US and EU compliance, and how to build with compliance in mind. Thanks for watching.